Hello everyone. Good opportunity for freshers and programmers. MountBlue is a hiring for the role of software development engineer. This is an entry-level opportunity for students who knows Python, Java, JavaScript, C or C++, PHP, Ruby. The job location is the Bengaluru, India, and the package mentioned is around 4.2 LPA. According to the job description, selected candidates will go through professional training for around 12 to 30 weeks, and after successfully completing the training, candidates can get the role of software development engineer. In this role, you can work on web and mobile application development, software testing and debugging, team projects, real world development experience. So, if you are preparing for placements or want to start your software career, this is the great chance. Apply as soon as possible before the application closes. If you want more updates related to internship, off campus drives, coding interviews, and fresher or jobs, then like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you are going to apply for the Mount Blue hiring. All the best to everyone. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel.